Can you make a new Cash App account with the same number? Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Today, let us discuss with a quick guide on if you can make a new Cash App account with the same number. Now let's get right into the video. Creating a new Cash App account with the same phone number as an existing account is not permitted by Cash App. Unfortunately, Cash App does not allow this due to account security purpose. Here's a detailed breakdown of why this is the case and what options you have. First, unique identification. Cash App requires each account to be uniquely tied to a phone number for security and identification purposes. This helps prevent fraud and ensures that transactions can be tracked accurately. Second, account recovery. Linking a phone number to a single account simplifies the process of account recovery. If you were allowed to create multiple accounts with the same number, it could be complicated verifying ownership or recovering a lost account. Third, transaction management. Each account operates independently. Using the same phone number for multiple accounts could lead to confusion in transaction records, notifications, and account management. So, this is how you can make a new Cash App account with the same number. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.